Understanding, take it with a grain of salt. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, take it with a grain of salt. This phrase is a staple in English conversations, and understanding it can significantly enrich your language skills. Let's explore what it means, its origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. When someone advises you to take it with a grain of salt, they're suggesting that you should not accept a statement at face value and instead approach it with a degree of skepticism or caution. It means to view something with doubt or to not believe it entirely. This phrase is particularly useful when dealing with information that seems exaggerated, biased, or unverified. The phrase, with a grain of salt, traces back to ancient times. It is believed to originate from a Latin expression, cum grano salis. There are various stories about its origin, but one popular belief is that it was related to the idea that food is more easily swallowed if taken with a small amount of salt. Over time, this concept evolved metaphorically to suggest that skepticism makes an otherwise difficult to believe story more palatable. Using "take it with a grain of salt" in conversations can be quite simple. Here are some examples to help you get started. When discussing rumors, "I heard that our favorite coffee shop is closing down, but I'd take that with a grain of salt until we see an official announcement." Regarding advice, "He offered some interesting investment tips, but I'd take his advice with a grain of salt since he's not a financial expert." In response to unbelievable news, "She claims she saw a celebrity downtown, but I'm taking it with a grain of salt." While "take it with a grain of salt" is the most common form, there are variations. Some might say, "take it with a pinch of salt." Both versions convey the same meaning and can be used interchangeably, depending on your preference or the regional English you're more comfortable with. Understanding and using the phrase, "take it with a grain of salt," can add nuance to your English conversations. It's a useful expression that encourages critical thinking and caution when dealing with information. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning, origins, and usage. Don't forget to practice using it in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.